In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send zip file in Yahoo Mail. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Yahoo Mail. In the results, click the official Yahoo Mail link to go straight to the sign-in page. Sign in with your Yahoo credentials to access your inbox. If you're using the new Yahoo Mail view, you'll see a clean layout. Look toward the top left corner and click the Compose button to start a new email. In the Compose window, begin by typing the recipient's email address in the To field. If you're sending to multiple people, separate each address with a comma, or type an address and press Tab to move to the next one. Next, add a short, clear subject line that summarizes what you're sending, such as project files or documents in zip. Before attaching anything, prepare your zip file. Go to the folder on your computer that contains the files you want to send. Select the files, right-click the highlighted items, and compress them into a single zip. On Windows, choose Send to and then Compressed Zipped folder. On Mac OS, choose Compress. If your files are scattered, place them into one folder first, then compress that folder so everything is packaged neatly into one zip. Give the zip a simple descriptive name so it's easy for your recipient to identify. Now, return to the Yahoo Mail Compose window. Click the paperclip icon to attach your file. Choose Attach Files from Computer. A file picker will open. Navigate to your saved zip file, select it, and click Open or Attach. Yahoo Mail typically supports attachments up to around 25 megabytes, so make sure your zip is under that size. If it's too large, try removing unnecessary files or compressing more efficiently so it stays within the limit. You'll see an upload indicator while the zip is attaching. Wait for the upload to finish. You'll know it's ready when the file name appears beneath the subject line without a progress bar. This ensures the recipient will actually receive the attachment. If you'd like, type a brief message in the body of the email to explain what's inside the zip and any instructions for opening it. When everything looks good, the To field, the subject, your message, and the attached zip, click Send. That's it. You've successfully sent a zip file through Yahoo Mail. If you need to send multiple zip files, repeat the attach process and just keep an eye on total size. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you share your files quickly and confidently.